Hey, I'm Gordon from TentBox, and today we're going to go through how to install your tunnel awning on your TentBox Cargo 2.0.
So the first thing you'll want to do is remove the porch and enter summer mode. To do this, simply remove the porch poles, then from the inside you can unzip the sides of the porch followed by the top. Now fold your porch up and put it away. Next, you'll want to pull your TentBox down to almost a closed position so you can reach the top zip safely. You can use your ladder to assist you if it's installed at the back of your tent. Now it's time to unpack your tunnel awning. Inside the bag you'll find the main awning panel and 2 telescopic props, as well as a hardware bag with pegs, guy ropes and 2-channel nut and thumb screws to secure your awning to your TentBox. You'll need to identify the top of your tunnel awning fabric by finding the zipped edge, then simply connect it to the cargo by zipping it up along the top. Once secure, you can open the TentBox back up and let the tunnel awning drape down. Inside your hardware bag, grab the 2-channel thumb screws, which should be connected to their channel nuts. Unscrew the nut, then slide it into the bottom accessory rail on the side of your Cargo 2.0, making sure the hard edge is facing outwards. Then, loosely screw into the nut going through the side eyelets on your tunnel awning and repeat the process on the other side. When you've loosely secured the screws in place, you'll need to slide the nuts back or forth until the tunnel awning seam is roughly parallel to the accessory rail. Now you can tighten them up so they're fully secure. Next up, grab your telescopic props as well as 2 guy ropes and pegs. You can do the next step on your own, but it's a little easier with 2 people. Extend the telescopic props starting from the bottom. The aim here is to try and match the height of the base of your TentBox, making sure both props are extended equally. Then slide the top of your telescopic props into the eyelets on your tunnel awning and place the guy rope end knots on top. Try and stand the props upright if you can, then pull the guy ropes outwards, making sure the tunnel awning fabric is pulled taut with minimal creases. You can always make adjustments afterwards. Insert the pegs into the ground at around a 60-degree angle, giving yourself just enough slack to keep the guy rope tension manageable, then hammer them down using a mallet. Once done, you can adjust the tension of the guy rope by pulling it down and sliding the metal adjuster up. Now you just need to secure the side panels of your tunnel awning. For this, you'll want to grab 2 pegs per side, then starting from the side closest to your car, secure the D-loops down. The aim here is to achieve a good amount of tension in the fabric. Again, we recommend going in at around a 60-degree angle and securing the peg down with a mallet. You can adjust the tension afterwards by tightening the straps. That's it! You've now installed your tunnel awning onto your TentBox Cargo 2.0. If you want to enter wing mode and open up the sides, you'll need 2 extra telescopic props per side. You'll find these at TentBox.com, then you just need to release the side panel pegs and lift the panels up using the props, much like you did for the tunnel awning entrance.
If you've got any questions about your tunnel awning or anything else, just get in touch with our friendly team of product specialists.